We're going on to part 2 of last week's workout. Last week was a towel dance part 1. You learned 2 8 counts. Today you're going to learn 2 new 8 counts, but I'm going to add on to last week's choreography. So grab your towel, make sure it's long, but not too long because you want enough resistance in between your arms. So I'm going to review the very last 8 count of last week. We're going 1, walk, 3, 4. Let's repeat that again. Stepping in, 7, 8. 1, step forward, 2, 3, 4. As you whip up, remember I said take your chest out and lunge on your right side from the top. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Moving forward, we're going magic mic, hold, turn, and throw down your towel. That's your last 4 counts. Review from the top. You're here. 1, 2, 3. Whip it up. Now magic wipe. 7 and 8. Throw it down on 8. Just that at tempo. 2 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha, ha. 7, 8. Yes. Again. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're moving on. Your towel's on the floor. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, okay? Your OCD, don't worry about it. It's still there. Here on 8, you're gonna walk back with your left leg. 1, 2. You're gonna stretch as tall as you can towards your upper right side. So you're here on 2. Hold 3 and 4. So you're gonna give me a nice arch back and 4. A mini lunge on your right side. So you threw your towel down the floor. You're gonna walk back. 1, stretch up. 2, hold 3 and 4. Yes, and whip your hair if you can. Love the hair whipping from the top of this new 8 count. Towel on the floor. 8, walk back. 1, stretch up. 2, hold 3 and 4. 5, you're gonna bring your left leg in. 5 and 6. Stop right there. You're here on 4. 5 and 6. All you're doing is left leg in, right leg in. And you're scooping like we did during the warm-up. So top of this 8 count again. 7, whip it down on 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. You're gonna finish up this 8 count with 7 and 8. Try to get as close to your towel as possible. So you finish with a 5, 6, yeah? 7. So left arm goes over your right shoulder. 7 and take it down. 8. Make sure your heels are almost touching. Yes. And try to get as close to your towel as you can. Okay. Top of this 8 count. 7, 8. Take it back. 1, 2, hold 3 and 4. Step, step, cross and down. Let's try that 8 count at speed. Then we'll move on to the last 8 count. Yes. From the whip down. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hold 3 and 4. 5, 6, cross and down. Oh, that is fast. From the whip. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, step in. 1, 2, hold 3 and 4. 5, 6, pop, pop, ha. From here, give me a body roll. 1, 2. This is your time to breathe. And also to let that sweat come out. 1, 2. Find your towel. 3 and 4. So you're grabbing your towel. 3. Pop your legs straight up and snake it up. 4. Almost like scraping the front of your quads with your towel. 3 and 4. Give me a 5, 6, and a 7 and 8. So you're here, straightening on 4, 3 and 4. Right pop, left pop, 7 and 8. So when you do the pop, think about bringing your knee in and popping that hip out. Boom, boom, toe, heel, up. Yes. So from the towel grab, you're here on 8. Give me a body roll. 1, 2, take your time. Grab your towel. 3 and 4. Pop, pop, toe, heel, up. How do we do? So the best part, you really want to simmer on this moment, is when you grab the towel and you flip your hair. Yes, so you're here, boom, flip. Yes, that's a moment. That's the moment you make eye contact with your audience, which is probably your dog or your wall, but that's okay. We're always performing, right? Always performing. So top of this 8 count when you drop the towel on the floor. Slow. 7, 8. Walk back. 1, 2, hold 3, and 4, 5, 6, cross. 7 and 8. 1, 2, grab your towel. 3 and 4. Pop, pop, toe, heel, high knees. When you bring up your high knees, crunch in your obliques for that. Okay, we'll try it from the top, just those 2 8 counts, from whipping your towel to the floor. At tempo, 5, 6, good luck. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, boom, boom, ha. Yes! Yes! Oh, this is good. This is really sweaty. I needed this. I hope you're having fun with me because it's all about having fun. It's not about getting it perfect. Yes? Okay, top of this 8 count again as you whip your towel down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hold 3 and 4. Step, step, cross and down. Body roll. Grab, grab, tap, tap, toe, heel up. Top of this 8 count again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, hop, hold 3, tap, tap. Step and in, cross and down. Body roll, grab, up, right, left, hee, hop. From the top of what we learned today, which is a review of last week. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Magic Mike. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hold 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's my towel. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You know, sometimes you gotta improvise, and if your towel ends up here, you gotta just get to it, right? It's like partner dancing. You gotta go where your partner is. Otherwise, you're just grabbing for nothing. From the top, at tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Whip it, tap, hop. Step, 2, and 4. Step, step, cross and down. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Toe, heel up. Yes. This is it. We're doing this for Britney because we all want to dance with Britney a la 2005. Obviously, not for Britney in 2020. But this is for old Britney. Do it for her, do it for me. From the top, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4. Whip. Ha. Tap. Pop, pop. Step, step. Cross and down. 1, 2. Grab. Up. Right. Left. Toe, heel. Up. Yes. 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 4. Whip. Ha. Ha. Step back. Tap, tap. Step, step. Cross and down. Hit. Grab. Up. Boom, boom. Tap, tap, tap. My towel just became really short. Hey, again, you gotta improvise. You never know what life will throw at you. So when the towel shortens itself, when you mess up, when you throw the towel where it's not supposed to be, that's just life. We get over it and we learn to dance with it. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back. 2, 3, and 4. Step, step, cross and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap, tap, in and up. Yes. 2 more times. 5, 6, 5, 6. Right leg in. 1 step. Whip it. Step back. 2, and 4, 5, 6, cross and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, pop, pop, pop. Woo! Okay, one last time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step, step, cross and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ta, ta, ta. Yeah! Okay, I'm done. You guys are done. Really nice job today. I'll see you next week.